Jai Gurudev. Today we are going to teach you 8th standard science chapter first, crop productions and management. Crop productions means खेती उत्पादन and management means प्रबंधन और रख रखाव. After the crop productions, how to keep the crop productions in proper storage, transport and their distributions. In this chapters, we will study following content which are inside the chapter. First, we will discuss about introductions, then what is crop, classification of crop, agricultural practices. Agricultural practices means during cultivations of crop, farmer have to perform various tasks or activities for successful crop productions. It involves following steps: प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल, मिट्टी की तैयारी, सोइंग द सीड, बीजों की बुआई, एडिंग मैन्यूर्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर, खाद डालना, फसलों में खाद डालना, मैन्यूर्स इट इज अ प्राकृतिक खाद, फर्टिलाइजर इज अ रासायनिक खाद, इरिगेशंस फसल को पानी देना मीन्स सिंचाई, प्रोटेक्शंस फ्रॉम वीड्स एंड पेस्ट, वीड्स एंड पेस्ट से फसल की रक्षा करना, वीड्स मीन्स खरपतवार, दिस इज एक्स्ट्रा अनवांटेड प्लांट्स विच ग्रोज नेचुरली along with main crops, and harvesting, cutting of mature crop it is a harvesting means फसल तैयारी के फसल पकने के बाद उसकी कटाई करना. Now last one is storage means भंडारण. So one by one all we will discuss. First, we will know about some introductions. So, according to chapter's name, tell me, children, why do we need to crop productions? India is a means first we know this. Food is our basic necessity, and we eat food to grow, to get energy, to remain healthy and alive. For this food required, but have you know this where from this food comes? Yes, these foods come from plant sources, because plant is the main source of food, and plants only have capacity to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. That's why they are called autotrophs. And all animals and human beings, they all depend their plant foods directly or indirectly upon plants, so they are called heterotrophs. As we know that India is a vast country, and the populations of our country is about 1.37 billions. So in order to provide food for a large amount, regular food productions and their management is necessary. Now next point is crop. What is crop? Crop. When plant of the same kinds are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called crop. See here, suppose it is a land where one same type of plants are grown here on a large scale. So this is called a crop. Means this is the same kind of plant at one place on a large scale. Same kind of plants. Plants means crop are their same type. Maybe wheat, rice, barley, etc. At a one place on a large scale is called cultivated, is called crop. So crops may be vegetables, fruits, cereals. So according to this, crops classified on the basis of their season in which they grow. So crops are three types. See here, classification of crop. First is kharif crops. It is also called monsoon crop. It's grown from June to September during monsoon season. These crops need more water. Example, rice, maize, bajra, soybean, cotton, etc. Now next type is rabi crops. It is called winter crop also. It's grown from October to March during winter. These crops require less water. Example, wheat, oats, barley, mustard, gram, linseed, peas, etc. Now third type is zaid crop, is also called summer crop. It's grown from April to July during summer. These crops are require excessive heat to plants' growth. Example is cucumber, watermelon, bitter gourd, muskmelon, etc. Now next is point is agriculture practices. Now agriculture practices. As I earlier told, during cultivations of crops, farmer have to perform various tasks for successful crop production. So it takes following steps. First is preparation of soil, means मिट्टी की तैयारी करना. So for this, farmer use two methods: plowing and tilling of the soil and leveling of the soil. Plowing, it is the process. Plowing and tilling, it is the process of loosening and turning of the soil. It makes soil porous, well aerated, and hold more water, and roots penetrate deep into the loose soil and breathe easily in it. And this is done by plow. And hoe. What it is a tools for plowing and tilling of the soil. So this is what is traditional method made up of wood or iron. After the plowing of the field, somewhere remain big clumps. Big clumps means मिट्टी का पिंड. So clumps. So that clumps have to break down by the leveler machine. This is called the leveling of the soil. Leveling means मिट्टी को बराबर करना. So nowadays, this is also a traditional method, but nowadays farmer use cultivator. Cultivator, it work all in all. Means cultivators, plowing and tilling and leveling of the soil all together. This is a plow and it is used by the help of bullock. And this is a hoe. This also is a traditional tools for plowing and leveling of the soil. It is a cultivator. Cultivator is a tools which attached to a tractor behind of it. It saves labor and time, and it is very effective for preparations of soil.